All right, playing with the obsidian, or the obsidian. I took the obsidian out. I'm playing with the Prodigy. Okay, the Prodigy nb512. I'm gonna play something that's copyright free, so I don't get dinged with anything crazy. But I'll play something decent. Let's see. That song seemed to have good attack to it, good punchiness, some good mids and highs, but we're not evaluating mids and highs right now. But this is supposed to be Bach Drill. Here's another one. On that little taste, let me know what you think. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, everything in between, and maybe there's going to be some more coming. I'm going to have another enclosure build for this subwoofer because this one's 2.2 cubic foot and tune to 32 hertz. I want to tune it a little lower. I want to go stay around that 2.2, 2.3 cubic foot, but I want to tune it down into the 20s. I like a low tuned enclosure. And I'm going to throw my lithium battery in here and put a little bit bigger amplifier. So let me see what I can do and what I got going on, and holla at me.